Alright, so I'm Nkosenhle Hlophe. I'm the Marketing and Communications Manager for Icebolethu. So we're just so happy that this is happening. To us, I think today they are opening World Cup in Qatar, right? So we have the same feeling as Amaceba Mali. That's what we call ourselves, Amaceba Mali. We've got about 1,700 employees, and Lana we've got about 400 employees, but I'm sure all of them are watching online. This is a big moment for us. We haven't had this for the past 2 years because of COVID. So the last Gala dinner we had was in 2019, same venue, and we're celebrating 10 years. So we shut down the ICC as we are doing today. So today we are just celebrating 13 years, and we are also, as a company, we have launched or we have endorsed a strategy to take over Africa. So today the theme is connecting Africa through business. Over the past couple of months, the business has had different delegations to Ghana, to Kenya, to Zimbabwe, where we are building relationships and meeting suppliers so that we can make sure as we are taking off in Africa, CC rate is number supplier. So today, it is just to celebrate that, to say we are finally here after 3 years of not having a gala dinner, and celebrates the achievements, celebrates the Standard Bank Top Business Award that we got in September, to honor some of our employees that really stood up during COVID, during looting, during the floods. So it's a very good day, and there's a very nice and emotional segment in Zoibonela where we are honoring some of our colleagues that we've been working with that are no longer with us. So we are celebrating, we are happy today, and so far so good. Thank you so much.
Hayi siyabonga wavela wayivala yonke imibuzo bese ngiyibeke la ekhanda wavela wayiphendula yonke.
Ngithi ngika communications nje.
Hayi kodwa ngosiyama wavela wangiqeda amazwi siyabonga kakhulu, and all the best to enjoy the rest of the evening. Siyabonga.